Here I have KRUGER MATZ Flow 5 and let me show you how to enable backup data on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's unlock the screen. Let's find and select the apps icon. From the list of applications you need to find and select the settings. Now you have to scroll down and right here let's choose backup and reset. Here let's select backup my data and let's enable this feature by using the following selector. Let's go back and then you need to set the backup account. So let's tap on backup account. If you have added some Google accounts you can use them, if not let's choose add account. The device is checking info, let's wait a few seconds. And now you need to add your Google account. You can do it in two ways. You can create a new account by using that blue link, or you may use the existing Google account. So in my case, let me use the existing one. Let's enter the email. Tap next. Now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it. If you are ready, let's choose next right here. Tap accept terms of service and privacy policy. The device is checking info. And here you have to leave enabled backup to Google Drive, so then you will be able to easily restore or switch phones at any time. Backup includes apps, app data, call history, contacts and device settings. Tap next. And that's it. As you can see, you just enabled backup my data, add necessary backup account, so basically everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.